Today's sponsor is brought to you by Matace Outdoor Picnic Blanket. Features of this waterproof picnic blanket are that it is soft and durable. Matace picnic blankets are made from double-layer UV-resistant polypropylene that is tightly woven to keep sand, grass roots, and bugs out. It is lightweight and has many uses. Its woven, lightweight polypropylene straw is portable for the beach, yard, camping, sports events, and more. It is stain resistant and quick to dry. Matace picnic blanket or beach blanket is easy to clean. If dirt becomes too dull, just rinse it in the water and let it dry under the sun. It has convenient storage as well. The surface of the Matace picnic blanket has perfect preset folded lines so it can be easily folded and packed back into our carrying bag. If you'd like to purchase one, please click down in the bio and use my discount code JessicaD18 to get an extra 18% off your purchase. Thank you, Matace Outdoor Blankets, for sponsoring this video. Take a quick second to remember what it looked like before, and here's what it looks like now.